Cheater theory, there are two common reproductive strategy or dalawang klase ng lalaking mahilig magparami. We have cads and dads. Dads are males who minimize their parental investment in any specific offspring. Ito yung mga lalaki kung saan nakikipag-sexual intercourse pero pag nagkaanak na, wala nang pake sa kanilang children. These low-investing males are called cheaters. Sila etong tinatawag ng mga manloloko, floaters, bigla-biglang nawawala, sneakers, deceptives, and satellites. On the other hand, we have the dads. The dad males are considered to be the ideal mate for females. Mas gusto ng mga babae yung mga dad males because they assist them in caring for their offsprings. Now, according to cheater theory, a subpopulation of men has evolved with genes that inclined them towards an extremely low parental investment reproductive strategy. May mga lalaki daw talaga na sa genes pa lang nila talagang inclined sila not to care for their children. But since ayaw ng mga babae ng mga lalaking ganon, so ang ginagawa ng mga lalaki, merong CAD strategy, niloloko yung mga babae to the point na minimimic nila yung mga dad males. Pag nabuntis ka na, it's a prank lang pala. So CADs are viewed to be as criminals since they will do anything and everything. They will resort to deception, panloloko, tricks in order to copulate with you. When we say copulate, to have sexual intercourse with the female. And according to this theory, yung mga lalaki daw na nasa low social status are more likely to adopt a cheating strategy kesa doon sa mga lalaki na nasa high status males. Maybe because these males, they don't have enough resources to provide for their children. They just want their temporary pleasure na ma-experience rather than committing to a long-term responsibility of having children.